welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back again with another video. So today's video I'm gonna be talking about the ring light that I bought in AliExpress. So first of all, I just want to say sorry for the background, for the noise on the background, because my kids is around, so I really have to entertain them so that they can leave me alone. You guys know what I'm talking about. But anyway, today's video I'm gonna be opening this package. Okay, this right here. You guys know winter is here, and every time I do my workout the weather is bad, and my house, like my living room, was not really light enough. If the sun is here and you can actually see a lot of lighting on the video, but if there is no sun, if the weather is bad, everything will be dark. So, and I was like, I think I really have to spend money on this ring light, and so that I can film my film anytime I want. So I went out on Amazon, AliExpress, on many places. So, and I saw one on AliExpress. It's here. It's finally here. So I'm so surprised. This is the package. Okay, it's like this. I haven't opened it yet. So this ring light actually cost me like 64 Swiss franc. Yes, it was like 120 something Swiss franc before. I bought it on that 11th of October, the time that they did their sales, their heavy sale, like 70%. So I got it on that time, on that period. So, and it came really fast. So you guys know I just did I also ordered the body shape, and I'm gonna put the video here. So if you know you haven't watched that video of my body wear body shape that I did recently, please go and watch the video. I'm gonna put it up here. AliExpress is quite good though. If you spend money to buy something, you will get some good stuff. So this is what we are going to be doing today. We are going to be opening this package, and of course I have to set it because I don't know how it works. So, and we are going to be setting it up as well. So this is what we are going to be doing. So we are going to be opening the package. We're going to see how it looks. We are going to check if the money worth it or not. So let's do it. So this is the tripod. This you can adjust like this, and so I think I have to check for the instruction, otherwise I'm gonna destroy it. So let's check what is in on this little package here. This is the cable. I think this is the ring light. Yes, I'm so excited to see this. Wow. Sit down, baby, sit down. Wow, this is so good. The thing looks really good. Yes, you got this little thing here to put your camera, and you got this little button here to adjust. And why is it shaking? Okay, you also got another button here below to adjust it. You got this hole. There's a hole here. I think this is where you put the ring light on the tripod, and you got the adjustment here. This is how you adjust it. Wow, look at that. These two silver button here, which I don't know what it is. So I think I'm gonna check if there's any instruction, like any instruction papers inside, then I can try and put them together. So let's do it. Okay, that little bag there, it's actually it has this thing, this one to adjust the phone. This is what you put the phone on to adjust it. It came on that little purple bag, which is really good. It was good package. The packaging is good, guys. This is what you use to stand. Like I said before, you stand. This one is, I think this is what you use to, you put this, you adjust it here, and then you can and then you can put this camera thing here. Okay, now it's like this. Yes. Wow, this is really good. You see? So this is basically how it looks. So at the back, this is the front, and you can stand your camera here in front, and here at the back is where you put the tripod. I don't know what you put here, to be honest. I don't know how this goes here. How does this go? So it's really, really long, guys. You have three. Now I have to put it back. Like this. The first lay, the second lay, and the third lay. So it's like this, and it's very, very long, and I like it. So below it has this one. You can open it up like this. You can just push it all the way. I don't know if this is how it works. I don't want to break it, to be honest. So this is it. Okay. I really have to check more of the. Aha. Okay. Now there you go. There you go. So actually it's like this. Okay, you push it all the way like this to stand the let me show you guys, to stand it on the ground, because I was trying to figure out how this worked before. So with this you can also adjust it like this, then it will get really tight without any problem. Okay, so I have to check the box if there's any instruction. Ah, yeah, I got it. I got it. So let's check how this works. Oh my god. So this is how you adjust the back. It was a bit difficult, a bit tricky, but it was okay. Yeah, so I fixed it, and then you have this little thing, I don't know what it's called, and to put here. So there you go. There you go. It was pretty easy. It was really easy. It's just that I was scared. I really don't want it to break it. But now I'm gonna plug it and see how it works. And how does it work? How does it work? So how does it work? Hey, now I got it. Now I got it. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh, okay. Let me show it to you guys. Okay, here at the back, you have these two buttons which I showed before. Let me put it to you. Here at the back, they have these two buttons. This is actually what you use to. Now you push on. Yes, and this is off. So I think when you push on, you can hide the lights like this. Oh my God, the distance is really good. And here you get two different colors. Wow, orange color. And here you get the heavy one. Then you can also adjust it low and more. This is really good. Hi. Oh my God, this is so good, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. So this is the color, the different colors that ring light have. You have this color here, which is low, and you have another color which is so wow, look at that. Wow, I don't like this color. Look how it's changing my baby's face. I think this one is perfect for us. Without lights, and with lights. So what do you guys think about this ring light? Wow, guys, this is so good. So this is it, guys, and it have like different colors. You have like three different colors. This is the ring light, okay, and I'm so excited, and I highly recommend. I know it's a bit expensive, okay. I was scared because I was like, I'm gonna spend almost 70, like 80 euro on AliExpress, which I haven't done before. So obviously, and it's here and everything is perfect. The ring light, and it's a bit like plastic, and it's not like a glass that's when you hit on something. But this can also accidentally break if you don't take care of it, of course. So yeah, this is it. And this was the buttons here. These two buttons is written here on, like written here on and off. So this is what you use to adjust the lights. You can adjust it here. I was actually looking for like, where can I adjust it now? So here you can put your phone here, which is so good. Yeah, it's really good. I like it. I highly recommend, and it's really good if you guys, even a lot of YouTubers bought it, and they post a review. They was like, yeah, it's so nice. And then I was like, okay, let me show my beautiful people in the house, if you are interested to get something like this, okay, for your makeup and everything. And I will be trying this out with makeup, of course. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching the video, and I really appreciate, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for returning your subscribing, and thank you for loving your girl, and thank you for your comments. I hope to see you guys on my next one.